Hi guys! Good morning! Ayan. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng banana cake. Ayan. Simulan natin guys. Ayan, meron tayong 3 pieces of banana. Then, condensed milk, fresh milk, and powder. Ayan guys. Yan ang gagamitin ko guys. Ayan guys, simulan natin mag-smash ng banana. Ayan, na-smash na natin yung ating banana. Ayan guys, napag-mix-mix na natin siya. Ayan guys, napag-mix-mix na natin ang lahat ng ingredients. Ayan guys, napag-mix-mix na natin ang lahat ng ingredients para sa banana cake. Done my banana cake. It's done, my banana cake. It's yummy.